Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Tech Developer. In this video, I will cover you that the last video the exception was coming while converting the list of employee to map, where key will be the salary and value will be the employee list. So we resolved that particular question using the collectors.grouping by concept. But we tried with the collectors.toMap and that was causing the exception, that is this exception. Let me show you the exception. One second. So let me clear this. So this exception was coming that we were having the duplicate key 15,000, right? Which was causing the issue. And so I already told you in the my last video that we will cover this particular part in our next video. So this is a video in which we will cover that how you can resolve the illegal state exception or the duplicate key exception while you are using the stream concept of collectors.tomap. So basically collectors.tomap generally takes two methods. One is a key mapper and second is a value mapper, right? But when we have a problem that there is some duplication of the keys in our map, that can cause you the issue, right? So that can cost you the illegal state exception in while using the stream API. So to resolve that, stream API given us the function of collectors.toMap with three arguments: the key mapper, value mapper, and third argument is merger function, right? That will be related to the binary operator function. So to resolve this question with the collectors.toMap, we need to use that particular concept of merger function. So for that, we need after this a comma will be there, and emp1 and emp2. Basically, these will be the objects that is having the duplicate data, and we will simply return the emp1, or itself you can return the emp2 itself, because the key is also same here and the value is also same. So that's why either you return emp1 or you return the emp2, it will give you the same result, right? So let me explain you that what we generally did here. See, you know that we resolved this question using the collectors.grouping by. But leave that grouping by. We do not know anything grouping by. We are just simply saying that convert the list to map. And we know that stream provides a method called collectors.toMap whenever we need to convert any particular collection to the map, right? So we use the concept of collectors.toMap similarly here. But now the thing is that key will be the salary and value will be the list of employee, right? So for that I use collectors.toMap, and for the key as a salary I have used the method reference and given employee.getSalary. After that we said we need the list of employees as a value, which is means that suppose if my salary is 1,50,000, means the value of list of employee should contain all the employee object which are having the value 1,50,000. So for that, what we generally do, just leave that particular key part. If I want the list of employee which is having the particular salary, what we generally do, we do that we iterate over stream over that particular list, and we use the filter method and collect to the list if particular salary is matching with the employee salary, right? So for the value part, we are doing the same thing. So we are already iterating that particular employee list. So that's why we take an employee object over there using the lambda exception. It will apply over all the things employee list.stream dot filter, and this particular employee list object will map or match the salary with this particular collectors.to map employee object, and if the salary is matching, it will collect to the list, right? So this was a value mapper. Now we know that when we are collecting it, right? So if you generally understand the part of the question, it is simply saying that grouping that data. So means if salary is 15,000 here, so it will group the data and give me the value that Ajay and Vineet, right? So grouping the data, and we are using the collectors.toMap, so definitely key will be duplicate, right? Because it will iterate over each and every particular salary, right? And it will give you the duplicate data. So to resolve this, we are using the merger function. So merger function saying that duplication between the two objects, one object and second object. So we are taking that as a lambda expression key or value, or you can say the two arguments, right? So we are returning simply the first argument. So instead of that, you can simply return the second argument also. There is no problem until and unless you are manipulating the data on the basis of the particular value match, right? Otherwise, if the key and value is same, then you can use any object. So let me run the this program and let's see the output, and we will compare the output with the collectors.toMap concept and collectors.grouping by concept, and we will see that if they are matching or not. So let me run this application. Let me run it as a Java application, right? Let me save, and now we executed this, and see, now our program is running without any problem. So if you compare collectors.toMap and collectors.grouping by, if the salary is 1,50,000, right? So it is giving me only the employee where the ID is 1, right? Same employee object. So it means our code is working fine. Either we use the concept of collectors.toMap or we use the collectors.grouping by, our output will be same. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Hope I cleared you the concept of collectors.toMap, a major important part, that is a merger function in that, so that you can resolve the duplication of the key in your stream API if your map is having a duplicate key. So please share these videos with your friends so that they can also learn this concept and they can get the help, and definitely if they follow my tutorials, they will definitely be able to clear the interview round. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Please give a like to the video, please share the video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all my new videos notification. Bye for now.